In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from Shopify to your bank account, ensuring a smooth and seamless process every time. Shopify is a fantastic platform for managing your online store, and getting your hard-earned cash is a rewarding part of the journey. So, let's walk through each step together and make sure you can efficiently transfer your Shopify funds to your bank. First, it's important to log into your Shopify account. When logging in, make sure that your credentials are secure and you aren't accessing your account over an unsecured network. Once you're logged in, we'll head straight for the settings option located at the lower left of your dashboard. This section controls much of your store's back-end operations, which include payments and transactions. Now, within the settings, click on the payment options. Here, you'll see all the available payment providers and your payment settings. If you've set up Shopify Payments, which is the default payment provider for Shopify users, you'll be able to manage your payouts here. Make sure to review this section for accuracy. Double-check that your bank details are correct to avoid any potential hiccups in future transfers. Next up is your bank account setup. If you haven't linked your bank account yet, you will need to do this step first. Find the section where you can input your bank information. It usually requires your bank's name, your account number, and in some cases, additional bank routing numbers or account validations depending on your country and bank's policies. If you're unsure about these, check with your bank to get the correct details. Once your bank account is set up, it's time to configure your payout schedule. Shopify allows you to choose how frequently you receive your payouts, daily, weekly, or monthly. Select the option that best suits your financial planning needs. If you choose the daily payouts, remember that they include transactions from the day before. Setting up an appropriate schedule can help manage cash flow and accounting efforts more effectively. Now that your account and schedule are set, it's pretty much an automatic process. Shopify handles the transfer of your sales revenue directly into your bank account according to the payout schedule you've set. It's also a good idea to keep track of your funds flowing out of Shopify. You can do this by going to the Payouts section of Shopify Payments. Here, you will see the details of each payout made to you, including any fees deducted. Remember, maintaining accurate and up-to-date bank information is crucial for seamless withdrawals. If there's any change like switching banks or bank accounts, update your Shopify settings immediately to prevent any interruptions in receiving your funds. That's it. You've successfully set your Shopify account to withdraw money to your bank account. With this setup complete, you can focus more on growing your business and less on financial logistics. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.